Good morning, students. Today we will study about integer chapter first, mathematics of class 7. First of all, we start natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting number starting from 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4 dot up to infinity. The smallest natural number is 1 and greatest natural number is not defined. And when we include 0 in this number, the combination of these numbers becomes whole numbers. Second number is whole numbers. Whole numbers, when we include 0 in this number, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot up to infinity. The smallest whole number is 0 and greatest whole number is not defined. And when we take negative sign together with this whole numbers, we will get integers. So our topic is integers. Integers, we write integers like this: in middle 0 and right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4 dot up to infinity, and left hand side -1, -2, -3 dot up to minus infinity. The number starting from 1 to right hand side is known as positive integers, and the number starting from -1 and this direction is known as negative integers, and 0 is called zero integer. 0 is neither positive nor negative integer, and non-negative integers are equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot up to infinity, and non-positive integers are zero, -1, -2, -3 dot up to minus infinity. And we will study some property of integers. So let's start properties of integers. Properties of integers. First property is closure property. Integer is closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication. When a and b are integers, then their sum will also be an integer. For example, when we add 1 and 2, 1 plus 2, then we will get 3. 3 is also integer, and 1 and 2 are also integer. Then a is integer and b is integer, then their sum will also be integer. A equal to 1, b equal to 2, these two numbers are integer and their sum equal to 3. This is also an integer. So closure property hold for addition in the case of integer. Similarly, in the case of subtraction, a minus b is also integer, and a into b, this is also an integer. You can see from this example, when you subtract 1 minus 2, then you will get minus 1. Minus 1 is also integer. When you multiply 1 into 3, you can write here 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is also integer. The difference of two integer is also integer. And product 1 into 2 equal to 2. The product of 1 and 2 is 2. This is also integer. So closure property hold for addition, subtraction and multiplication in the case of integer, and not satisfy in the case of division. That is, a divided by b is not equal to an integer, because it becomes 1 by 2, and that is rational numbers. And second property is commutative property. Commutative property hold for addition and multiplication. A plus b equal to b plus a. For example, when you add 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4, you will get same result. 4 plus 5 equal to 9, and this becomes 9, and this is also 5 plus 4 becomes 9. So you can write a plus b equal to b plus a. And commutative property hold for multiplication. A into b equal to b into a. For example, 3 into 2 equal to 2 into 3. You can write this. The product of 3 into 2 is 6, and product of 2 into 3 is also 6. This is 6 and this is also 6. They are equal. So commutative property hold for addition and multiplication for integer. Third property is associative property. Associative property properties also hold for addition and multiplication. A plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c, and for multiplication also a into b into c equal to a into b into c. You can check taking some examples. Fourth property, distributive property. Distributive property when you multiply a into b minus c, it becomes a into b minus a into c. Here for minus and plus both. For plus also, here will be plus, then it becomes plus, and if here is minus, then a into b minus a into c. These are the property of integer. Now representation of integer on number line. Representation of integers on number line. Suppose you aim to plot 3 on number line, then you will draw a number line for integer. It is a simple a line, and in middle denotes 0, and in right hand side 1 2 3 4 5 for equal distance, and in left hand side -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. You never write -1, -2, -3 in this direction. The right position is in this direction. You start -1 from here, -1, -2, -3, and so on. This is the most important. Some students mistake here. They write from this direction, -1, -2, -3. So now plot the point 3. So here is 3. You denote like this. This point is 3. This is the representation of integer and on number line. Similarly, for -2, this is -2. You will denote a point, and this is in circle. And some terms are here. Additive identity. What is additive identity? Additive identity equal to 0, because when you add 0 in any numbers, then there will be no change. Suppose a number is 4, when you add 0 in this number, you will get 4. So 0 is known as additive identity. Second is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity is 1. When you multiply by 1 in any number, you will get the same number. So 1 is known as multiplicative identity. Now we will start the rule of addition and subtraction. 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 Suppose one number is positive and second is positive, then we will add, and both numbers are negative, then again we will add, and one positive and second negative, and then subtract, and first is negative, second is positive, then also subtract. And to denote the sign here, you will draw a rule. The greater numerical value sign. So now take example. When both two numbers are positive, suppose 4 plus 7, then what to do? Then we will add both. Here add 7 and 4 equal to 11, and sign is greater numerical value sign. The greater number in these two numbers are 7. The sign of before 7 is positive, so you can write positive here, or this is also a positive sign without notation of plus. Now when two numbers are negative, suppose -4 and -7, then you will add these two numbers, 4 plus 7 11, and what sign will be here? The greater numerical value sign. The numerically greater is 7. The sign before 7 is minus, so we'll write minus here. And in this case, plus 4 minus 7, you will subtract 7 minus 4 equal to 3, and what is the sign will be here? the greater numerical value sign. The greater value is in 4 and 7 is 7, and the sign before 7 is minus, so you will write here minus. Fourth example, when minus 4 and plus 7 you subtract, you will get 3. Then what will be sign here? The greater numerical value sign. So numerically greater is 7 and sign before 7 is 4, so you can write here plus, or it read as plus 3. So this is the rule of addition and subtraction. Take an example, minus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4. What will be its value? So we will add negative number minus 1 and minus 3. It becomes minus 4, and plus 2 and plus 4, it becomes plus 6, and then one negative and other is positive, it will be subtracted. 6 minus 4 equal to 2, and sign is plus. So in these two numbers 6 is greater, so here will be plus, or this is 2 answer. And after this next rule is rule of multiplication and division. Rule of multiplication and division. Plus into plus equal to plus, minus minus it becomes plus, plus minus it becomes minus, minus plus it becomes minus. It means, example for this, when take 4 into 7, these two numbers are positive, then their product will be 28, and both numbers negative, minus 4 into minus 7, this is also becomes 28, and sign will be plus. 2 times minus, so minus will be cancelled out, or minus minus becomes plus. When plus 4 into minus 7, then 4 7 are 28, and minus sign, this rule. And minus 4 into plus 7, it becomes 28, and sign will be minus. This is the rule for multiplication. And for division, example, for division, take 36 divided by minus 9. So you will write 36 by minus 9, 9 4 ja 36, and 1 minus, so you will write minus 4. This is answer. And when minus 36 divided by minus 9, then minus 36 by minus 9 equal to 4. Minus minus will be cancelled out. This is 4 answer. Third example is (12) divided by minus 3 plus 1. Then you will write 12 divided by, firstly you will solve this number, minus 3 plus 1 becomes minus 2, and 12 by minus 2 equal to 2 6 12, and sign will be minus 6 answer. Example for multiplication. First question is -1 into -2 into -3 into 4. Then 1 2 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. And sign will be minus minus plus and plus minus minus. 2 minus cancel out and 1 minus is here in the case of multiplication. Second question number, -1 -2 -3 -4. It becomes 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 24 1 ja 24. And sign is minus minus plus, and this minus 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 into minus plus. In simple way, 2 minus cancel out into plus and 2 minus cancel out into plus. So the sign here will be positive. So this answer 24, and this is minus 24. Thank you.